Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Onix Graphite Z5. Onix is one of the most trusted names in pickleball, and the Graphite Z5 stands as their most popular and best-selling paddle for good reason. Designed to deliver a perfect balance of control, power, and comfort, the Z5 is an excellent choice for beginners while still offering performance that competitive players can rely on. The graphite face provides exceptional touch and responsiveness, making it easier to place shots accurately even during fast-paced rallies. Its wide body shape creates a large sweet spot, helping newer players maintain consistency while reducing mishits. Whether you're learning dinks at the kitchen line or driving the ball from the baseline, the Z5 inspires confidence with every swing. Weighing in at a versatile 8.2 ounces, the Graphite Z5 is ideal if you're still discovering your preferred paddle weight. It feels well balanced in hand, allowing for quick reaction time at the net without sacrificing power. The Onix honeycomb core adds a lively pop to your shots, making strong returns feel effortless. Comfort is another standout feature. The tennis-style grip with padded cushioning reduces vibration and hand fatigue, letting you play longer matches with greater comfort. An edge guard lines the paddle to protect against chips and cracks if it's accidentally dropped, increasing durability over time. Priced just under $100, the Onix Graphite Z5 delivers premium graphite paddle performance at an outstanding value. From your first game to competitive tournament play, this paddle is built to grow with you. Specifications: weight, 8.2 ounces. Dimensions, 8.3 by 15.5 inches. Grip circumference, 4.25 inches. Number 2. Head Radical Elite. Fiberglass pickleball paddles are known for their excellent control and softer feel, making them a popular choice for beginners and accuracy-focused players. While they don't generate as much raw power as graphite paddles, fiberglass paddles are typically more affordable, and the Head Radical Elite is one of the best values in this category. The Radical Elite stands out thanks to its lightweight 8.1-ounce build, strong materials, and well-balanced performance. It's an ideal paddle for long rallies and controlled volleys where precision matters most. The fiberglass composite hitting surface absorbs impact effectively, producing a softer feel that helps players maintain accuracy on returns, dinks, and placement shots at the kitchen line. During hands-on testing, the Radical Elite impressed us with how consistent and forgiving it felt, especially for newer players learning proper technique. One of its biggest advantages is the extended grip length, which is longer than most standard pickleball paddles. This makes it easier to execute two-handed backhands and provides added leverage without sacrificing comfort. The grip circumference feels secure in hand and remains comfortable during extended play sessions. Available in bold orange or yellow color options, the Radical Elite may be simple in appearance, but it delivers exceptional performance for its price. At around $70, it offers outstanding value and can easily be used for recreational and competitive play. As your skills advance, you may eventually want a paddle with more power, but for control, accuracy, and affordability, the Head Radical Elite is hard to beat. Specifications: weight, 8.1 ounces. Dimensions, 9 by 16 inches. Grip circumference, 4.16 inches. Number 3. Selkirk Sport SX4 Starter Pack. If you're looking for an easy and affordable way to start playing pickleball with a friend or significant other, the Selkirk Sport SX4 Starter Pack is an excellent all-in-one solution. From one of the most respected brands in pickleball, this starter set includes everything you need to hit the court right away: 2 high-quality paddles, 4 pickleballs, and a convenient carrying bag. Unlike many beginner bundles, the paddles in the SX4 Starter Pack are far from basic. Each paddle features a polymer honeycomb core that helps reduce vibration and shot impact, resulting in a softer feel and better control. This makes rallies more comfortable and forgiving, especially for new players still developing their technique. The G4 control graphic surface with SpinFlex adds a lightly textured face, allowing beginners to better control ball placement and add spin without extra effort. Comfort is another standout feature. The cushioned grips are sweat-absorbing and secure, helping prevent slipping during fast-paced exchanges. At just 7.5 ounces, these paddles are lightweight and easy to maneuver, making them suitable for nearly all players regardless of age or experience level. The balanced feel also reduces arm fatigue, allowing for longer, more enjoyable play sessions. Whether you're learning the basics, playing casually on weekends, or introducing someone new to the sport, the Selkirk SX4 starter pack delivers quality, convenience, and trusted performance. It's a smart choice for beginners who want reliable gear from a leading brand without buying everything separately. Specifications: weight, 7.5 ounces. Dimensions, 7.8 by 15.67 inches. Grip circumference, 4.25 inches. Number 4. Joola Essentials Paddle. Austin, Texas-based Recess has made a name for itself by combining performance-focused pickleball gear with standout style, and the Vista pickleball paddle is one of the brand's best-selling designs. With nearly 40 unique colorways ranging from classic patterns to bold limited edition designs, the Vista lets you express your personality on the court without sacrificing playability. Built for beginners and recreational players, the Vista features a sanded texture surface that helps generate controlled spin and improves ball placement. This textured face makes it easier to learn proper shot technique while adding confidence during dinks, serves, and returns. Inside, the honeycomb core delivers consistent, standard power with reduced vibration, creating a comfortable and forgiving feel that's ideal for players still developing their skills. Weighing just 7.5 ounces, the Vista is lightweight and easy to maneuver, helping reduce arm fatigue during long rallies or extended play sessions. The balanced design allows for quick reactions at the net while remaining stable enough for baseline shots. A durable edgeguard surrounds the paddle to protect against chips and accidental drops, extending its lifespan over time. Each Recess Vista paddle also includes a logoed canvas cover, making storage and transport simple while adding an extra touch of premium style. Whether you're new to pickleball or looking for a fun, fashionable paddle that still delivers the essentials, the Recess Vista offers the perfect blend of comfort, control, and eye-catching design. Specifications: weight, 7.5 ounces. Dimensions, 7.8 by 15.67 inches. Grip circumference, 4.25 inches. Number 5. Rokne Curve Classic. Joola is one of the most trusted names in pickleball, and the Joola Essentials pickleball paddle is the perfect starting point for players who are serious about improving their game. Designed in collaboration with professional pickleball star Ben Johns of the PPA Tour, this paddle focuses on control, comfort, and consistency, exactly what developing players need as they build confidence on the court. The Essentials paddle features a generously sized sweet spot that helps deliver reliable shots even on off-center hits. Its soft-touch face provides excellent control, making it easier to place dinks, resets, and serves while you refine your technique. Whether you're learning proper form or transitioning from casual play to competitive matches, this paddle supports steady improvement without feeling overwhelming. Comfort is another key strength. The perforated grip enhances breathability, reducing moisture buildup and helping the paddle stay secure in your hand during long games. With a 4-inch grip circumference, it's well suited for players who prefer a slimmer handle for better wrist action and control. Weighing just 8.2 ounces, the Joola Essentials paddle strikes a balanced feel light enough for quick reactions at the net, yet solid enough for confident ground strokes. Measuring 7.9 by 15.5 inches, it offers a familiar, easy-to-handle shape for beginners. If you're looking for a reliable, brand-backed paddle that grows with your skills and sets you up for a future upgrade to Joola's Ben Johns tournament models, the Joola Essentials pickleball paddle is a smart, confidence-building choice.